Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
All documents in Word have a document layout that lets you set properties like page size, orientation, page numbering, margins, headers and footers, and more. You are able to change the layout of your document to suit any need you may have. You can apply layout changes to your document as a whole, or you can select specific sections and change just the layout for those sections. You can create separate document sections in Word by using the Section Breaks feature. Section breaks let you define separate sections of a single document to which you can then apply special layout formatting. For example, you could create a single section within a standard portrait page orientation document that contains landscape-oriented pages. In this chapter, you will learn about the many document layout options available to you in Word and how to apply them to entire documents or to document sections that you create.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.